Shalom and welcome everybody. So in today's video we're going to learn about Etsel Preposition. So what is Etsel Preposition and in which situations do we use it? So Etsel is answering the question where when the answer is a person. So we know that we have the question word efo. Efo means where. Usually when it's a place, so we're talking about the locative case, we'll usually reply be Tel Aviv, be New York, be London, be Israel, or ba chanut, ba avoda, ba canyon, or whatever. Etzel is used when something or someone is in the possession of a person. For example, where is Michal? Michal is at Yossi's place. So it means she's now, her location is Yossi. Efo Michal? Michal אצל Yossi. So we're talking about the concept of a location is actually a person or a possession of something. Maybe it belongs to me, but Yossi has it. So another very good example will be Efo הטלפון שלי, which means where is my phone? And the reply is הטלפון שלך אצלי. So my friend saying to me הטלפון שלך אצלי. It means I have it. It doesn't mean that he owns it. It doesn't mean that it belongs to him. Simply the location of my phone is him. And he can be anywhere. But the locative case tells me that Etsel answers the question where when the answer is a person. So let's learn the first inflection of Etsel preposition. Every time that you're going to see on the screen at me, it means I'm the location of whatever. So at me will be etzli. So for example, where is my phone? I have it. We can say your phone is at me. So this will be the direct Hebrew translation. At me is etzli. It's not only that I'm the location of a certain object. It can also be more specifically in my house. So, at my house, it means that I am the location of the object, more specifically in my house. So it will be אצלי בבית. At my car, אצלי באוטו. At my bag, אצלי בתיק. So אצלי בתיק, אצלי באוטו, אצלי בבית means that something is in my possession currently. So I have it. For example, I can have someone's object, regardless of what it is. So I'm the location, and it's more specifically in my bag. אצלי בתיק, אצלי באוטו, אצלי בבית. At my pocket, אצלי בכיס. Now we can address the same thing to you, masculine singular. So at you will be אצלך. At your house, אצלך בבית. At your car, אצלך באוטו. At your bag, אצלך בתיק. At your pocket, אצלך בכיס. At you, feminine singular, is אצלך. At your house, אצלך בבית. At your car, אצלך באוטו. At your bag, אצלך בתיק. At your pocket, אצלך בכיס. So let's look at this conversation. So a conversation between men. איפה הטלפון שלי? הטלפון שלך אצלי. הטלפון שלי אצלך? כן, הטלפון שלך אצלי. למה הטלפון שלי אצלך? אתה נתת לי אותו. הטלפון שלך אצלי באוטו. הטלפון שלך אצלי בתיק. הטלפון שלך אצלי בכיס. So once again, where is my phone? איפה הטלפון שלי? Your phone is at me, so the English correct translation will be I have it. הטלפון שלך אצלי. You have my phone? My phone is at you? הטלפון שלי אצלך? Yes, I have your phone. Or your phone is at me. כן, הטלפון שלך אצלי. Why do you have my phone? Why is my phone at you? למה הטלפון שלי אצלך? You gave it to me. אתה נתת לי אותו. I have your phone in my car. Or your phone is at my car. הטלפון שלך אצלי באוטו. I have your phone in my bag. Your phone is at my bag. הטלפון שלך אצלי בתיק. I have your phone in my pocket. Your phone is at my pocket. הטלפון שלך אצלי בכיס. So now it's your turn. You're going to see a sentence in front of you in English. Pause the video and say it out loud in Hebrew. Where is my phone? איפה הטלפון שלי? Your phone is at me. I have it. הטלפון שלך אצלי. You have my phone? My phone is at you. הטלפון שלי אצלך. Yes, your phone is at me. I have your phone. כן, הטלפון שלך אצלי. Why is my phone at you? Why do you have my phone? למה הטלפון שלי אצלך? You gave it to me. The more literally, you gave me him. אתה נתת לי אותו. Your phone is at my car. It means I have your phone in my car. הטלפון שלך אצלי באוטו. Your phone is at my bag. I have your phone in my bag. הטלפון שלך אצלי בתיק. Your phone is at my pocket. I have your phone in my pocket. הטלפון שלך אצלי בכיס. So now let's see the next conversation between two girls. The first girl is asking, איפה המפתחות שלי? המפתחות שלך אצלי. המפתחות שלי אצלך? כן, המפתחות שלך אצלי. למה המפתחות שלי אצלך? את נתת לי אותם. המפתחות שלך אצלי באוטו. המפתחות שלך אצלי בתיק. המפתחות שלך אצלי בכיס. So again, let's look at the conversation. Where are my keys? איפה המפתחות שלי? I have your keys. Your keys are at me. המפתחות שלך אצלי. You have my keys. My keys are at you. המפתחות שלי אצלך. Yes, I have your keys. Yes, your keys are at me. So I'm the location of your keys. כן, המפתחות שלך אצלי. Why do you have my keys? Why my keys are at you? למה המפתחות שלי אצלך? You gave them to me. את נתת לי אותם. I have your keys in my car. Your keys are at my car. המפתחות שלך אצלי באוטו. I have your keys in my bag. Your keys are at my bag. המפתחות שלך אצלי בתיק. Your keys are at my pocket, meaning I have your keys in my pocket. המפתחות שלך אצלי בכיס. איפה המפתחות שלי? המפתחות שלך אצלי. המפתחות שלי אצלך? כן, המפתחות שלך אצלי. למה המפתחות שלי אצלך? את נתת לי אותם. המפתחות שלך אצלי באוטו, המפתחות שלך אצלי בתיק, המפתחות שלך אצלי בכיס. Now it's your turn again. You see a sentence in English, pause the video, say it out loud in Hebrew, try to translate it, and then play the video again and see if you got it right. Where are my keys? איפה המפתחות שלי? Your keys are at me. I have your keys. המפתחות שלך אצלי. My keys are at you. You have my keys. המפתחות שלי אצלך. Yes, I have your keys. Yes, your keys are at me. כן, המפתחות שלך אצלי. Why are my keys at you? Why do you have my keys? למה המפתחות שלי אצלך? You gave them to me. את נתת לי אותם. Your keys are at my car. המפתחות שלך אצלי באוטו. Your keys are at my bag. המפתחות שלך אצלי בתיק. Your keys are at my pocket. המפתחות שלך אצלי בכיס.